Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Geometry, topic number 9, 9.3 angles. 9.3 angles. Angles means what? See, angle means what? Here we want here scale also, compass also, understand? See here A, B and C. Okay, angles, you call this figure angles. Angle means what? Formed by two rays have common point 1. Form two rays BA and BC. This is a two rays and this is a intersect in one point. This is a common point. You call that B is a common point. See here rays BA, BC, B is their common point. They are called two arms of angle. Two arms of angle. And how to read this? Angle ABC or angle CBA or only angle B means which is a common point. When you read that time, that comes in that point in a middle, comes into the middle. ABC या CBA या फिर only read angle B means only read common point. Understand? And how to write angle? You call this figure angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. Understand? How to write angle ABC, angle CBA, angle B. Understand? Now, here common point call you vertex of angle means last year we learned square have four vertex means four line touch in point. You call that point vertex. When writing an angle, vertex is always middle letter. Okay, this one is a middle letter and this symbol call you for the angle. All of you understand how to see here. This one angle you have and how to write rays BA and ray BC. Vertex point B and angle. How to write this one answer? See, angle ABC, angle CBA या फिर angle B. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, open your textbook. Open the page number 118. Read each angle. Name the two rays vertex and angle. See, how many rays here? CB. Ray CB and ray CD. vertex, point, where two rays join, point in point C, an angle BCD, angle DCB, and angle C. Angle C. Next one. How many rays here? TM. TM. Rays TN. Point T. Point T. And read the angle. Angle MTN. Angle NTM. And angle T only. How to read the angle? Right angle. Okay. Next one. Rays QP, ray QR, where the vertex point Q, and angle RQP, angle PQR, angle Q. D is your homework. Name these angles and fill the blanks. Fill in the blanks. See here. M, J, V. Here rays J, V and J, M. Vertex point J, and angle how many? Angle MJV, angle VJM, या फिर angle only J. Understand? Give their names and write there. B, C, D also is your homework. Two rays YB, XB from the angle. Read their angle YBX and B. Means how? See. Rays. See here. This is your angle. Okay. YB and XB. Common which number? B. Common name which? Common word B. Here Y and here X. Means angle YBX, yeah, at B. B is the angle there. Two arms of PTA. Draw here angle PTA. Two arms of angle PTA. You call that TP or TA. Rays are their arms. Arms means their rays. TP and TA. Given angle ABC. Angle ABC. Okay. Dash is a vertex of angle ABC. It arms of B is a vertex. Point B is a vertex is there. Okay. And arms are B and BC. Understand? Angle PQR and RQP are the same angle having vertex Q. Understand? Name all these angles at point P. See here. Angle APC, angle BPE, angle CPD, angle CPE, angle DPE, angle EPB, angle APB, angle APD, angle EPA, angle EPA, angle EPC, CP is also completed. Okay, this one APB, why? This is a 180 Celsius angle. How to? Next time, next video I teach you. But this is one angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many angles are there? 9 angles are there. Okay, 9 in all. Next one. Measuring and constructing angles. Measuring and constructing angle. How to measure angle? All of you know? All of you know? See how to measure the angle. When you draw the angles, that time what do you use there? This one. What do you call that one? Protractor. Protractor. You call this one protractor. Measuring the angle. When you measure the angle, this one you call that one protractor. Angles are always measured in degree. Always measured in degree. And how to show the degree? See, this one type, you show the degree. Means with the small circle and central point. How to measure the point? How to measure the degree? See here. Here is a center point is here. Center line. See. This one line is a center point. You call that one P. Okay. Center point. Point P is a used there. Now, how to draw the angles? See, there are first one question. Draw 45 Celsius. You call that Celsius. Okay. Is equal to angle ABC. You draw their angle ABC as 45 Celsius. How to draw? See, here is a point P. Okay. One line first draw. When you draw the angle, first one slipping line draw. There is a one point. See, this one you draw here, and where their arrow na, that side you measure the angle. That side you measure the angle. See, this one middle point, keep on raise point. Okay, now see this slipping line. This one line keep there smoothly and in one line. Okay, now you want there 45 how to count? Here you count to the with the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 is here, 40 is here. Next one, count there 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means there millimeter mm line is given there na, that also you count there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is a give the one dot, give one dot, and with the scale you draw there one ray with the this one point, given point. Write here one name A, middle point is a B and C. This and here write angle 45 Celsius. Right here ABC is equal to 45 Celsius. Understand how to draw? See, this one also you draw. Now see here how to draw? Keep their point on this point, this middle point, and your rays, where is the arrow? This side means your hands left side. You count to the there 0. You start from that arrows 0, 0 to 40, and then millimeter line count there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. Give there one point, and then join the this line. Understand how to draw? If you want to check your answer, keep here, and where 5 is line 45. Understand? Right here A, B, C. This one is a 45 Celsius. Understand how to draw? Next one. Now, given angle, how do you measure? How do you measure? Here draw the two angles, okay? Now we want here angle CDF is how many Celsius, and angle PQR, angle PQR is equal to how many Celsius? See, this one middle point, keep on where the start the angle na, there you keep middle point, means this middle point keep here, and 0 also you want on that line. How to measure? See, where is the arrow? This side na, right side. You count there from the 0. Now 0 is here, you count there 0 this line. Where stuck the this one 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see here this angle CDF is a 115 Celsius, 115 Celsius, right there 115. And here also keep the middle point on where is angle na, there you keep. And where is the arrow? Went left side, this side. You start there from the 0, 0 to this one 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Got there? Angle PQR is a 55 Celsius. Understand? How to draw and how to measure, all of you understand now? Now, open your textbook, page number 190. Measure the given angle. Measure the given angle. Here given angle PQR. PQR. See how to measure. Middle point keep on where two rays are joined. Keep here and one line. Where the arrow corner, that time you start from the 0 to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 is there. PQR is a 45 Celsius. Next one. RKV. Middle point. Keep on this one and then count there. 110. Say 0. Arrow is here now. You start from 0 here. Right side 0, 10. Where is this one line? 110, right. Next one, angle PIV. Keep on here. This is a 90 Celsius. See here, slipping line and then standing line touch there. There always you got there 90 Celsius angle. Okay, and where the only slipping line come, and there is a 3 lines. This one a middle B, or here A, or here C. You call that when they say this one angle how many Celsius, right there ABC is equal to 180 Celsius. See here 180 is where this middle point keep here. Okay, you start from 0 here, but here is a slipping line. Here is a 180 degree na, 180 degree Celsius na, 180 degree, right there 180 degree Celsius. Understand? 180 degree. Here is a 45 degree. You measure. Now you measure here na, angle PQR is 45 degree Celsius. RKV 110 degree Celsius and angle PIV 90 degree Celsius. Understand all of you? 90 degrees there. Next one. Angle EFG. Keep on here. Middle point. Okay. And here rays arrow is from the left side, your hands left side. You count there from 0 to where is keep 110, right there. EFG is equal to 110 degree. Next one also same. Okay, you measure there E and F. Now next one is a constructing the angle. See, construct this angle in your notebook. First, what you do? Write their topic name, basic of geometry. Then write page number 120, page number 120. Write their question. Construct this angle in your notebook. Write there. Then A1, angle BCD is equal to 50 degree. 50 degree. Now here, first one, you draw one slipping line. You draw one slipping line. Now keep on their protractor. You call this on protractor. Call this also compass also, but there are so many things. Okay, keep on this. Middle point, keep on. Where is a raised arrow? From right side. You count there from 0. Where is a 50 coming? Here. Here also you draw. Give one point and join that point to middle point. And here write 50 degree B C D. Understand how to draw? Next one, B1. Angle HIJ is equal to 105 degree. 105 degree. C. Keep on this middle point. Okay, now 105. You start from, where is the arrow? There from the 0. 0 to 100 means outside number you check here. 0 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give there one point and join that. Right here 105 degree. 105 degree. Here write H I J. All of you understand? Understand now how to draw? Next one. See angle MNP 148 degree. You draw there. 9.5. Types of angle. Types of angle. See. Read, understand and to learn. First one, acute angle. Acute angle means what? An angle that measure between 0 degree Celsius and 90 degree Celsius is called a acute angle. 0 to 90 में जो नंबर आते हैं उतने डिग्री का जो एंगल होगा उसे क्या कहेंगे? एक्यूट एंगल. See here, given angle is a ABC. ABC is a 30 degree Celsius. 30 degree Celsius means this is a acute angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. And angles that measure between 90 degree Celsius and 180 degree Celsius you call the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Angle M and P is a 130 degree. You call that obtuse angle. Understand? Right angle, which is the 90 degree Celsius. 90 degree Celsius means what? One standing line and one sleeping line. One standing rays, one sleeping rays. Where the join, there you got 90 degree Celsius angle. You call that right angle. And straight angle means two rays in a sleeping and join one point. Sleeping two rays and join one point. that you call straight line angle, which is a 180 degrees Celsius. Call that straight line. Acute, right, straight, and obtuse angle. 4 types of there. Now, write measure of each angle and write its type. First one, this one, keep in middle point. This is a 90 degrees Celsius. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Call that 90 degrees right angle. Next one, X, Y, Z, keep on middle point, count there, 0, where this one, 105. After 90 coming na, angle XYZ after 90 coming, you call that obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Next one, JKL. How do you measure this angle? This one is your middle point. This one is your middle point. Okay. Keep there this type. Now you measure there. Now you measure there. 0. Where this one coming? 35. 35 acute angle. 35, 38 is there. And two slipping rays joining one point. You call that straight angle. Straight angle. Understand? Next one. Question. Measure this angle. Straight their types. This is your homework. This is your homework. Understand? Thank you. Here your portion is finished. Here your portion is finished. Okay. Next video, critical thinking I take. That also not important, but also I take. And first topic to 9 topics come to in your semester exam. Okay. Thank you.